Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to create a PDF file on your iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get right to it. First, we need to open the Files application and select the files we want to create a PDF from. But before we do that, we're going to export some photos from the Photos app to the Files app. So let's open the Photos app and tap Select at the top. Then, choose all the photos you want to include in your PDF. Once you've selected your photos, tap the share icon in the bottom left corner. Now, scroll down and select Save to Files. Next, we need to choose the location where we want to save these photos. For this example, I'm going to select on my iPhone, and then the Photos folder. Finally, tap Save. Okay, now that we've exported the photos, let's open the Files application.
Go to the location where you saved the photo.
If you want to create a PDF from a single file, just press and hold on that file. Then, tap on the Quick Actions drop-down menu. You'll see an option that says, Create PDF. Tap on that. After a few seconds, the PDF will appear. You can tap on it to open it and see that you've successfully created a PDF. Now, what if you want to create a PDF from multiple files at the same time? Easy. Tap on Select in the top right corner. Now, select all the files you want to include in the PDF. After you've selected all your files, tap the three dots icon in the bottom right corner and choose Create PDF. Give it a few seconds, and it's going to create a PDF from all those files. Select it, and you'll see you've successfully created your multi-page PDF. And finally, if you want to share this PDF, just tap the share icon in the bottom left corner and share it as you normally would. And that's it. That's how you create a PDF file on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more awesome tips. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching.